In the bustling digital landscape where project management tools abound, Basecamp frequently surfaces in discussions. For those new to the realm of organized workflows and collaborative efforts, the fundamental question often arises: is Basecamp a software? While the immediate and technically correct answer is a resounding yes, reducing Basecamp to simply software feels akin to calling a Swiss Army knife just a piece of metal. It captures the basic essence but utterly fails to convey its multifaceted nature and the profound impact it can have on how teams work together. As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of tools like Basecamp. It's not merely a collection of features. It's a philosophy embodied in a digital platform, a structured environment designed to foster clarity, communication, and ultimately, successful project delivery. Let's delve deeper into understanding what Basecamp truly is, moving beyond the simplistic label of software. We'll explore its core functionalities, its underlying principles, and why it has resonated with countless teams across diverse industries. Basecamp, the digital hub for team collaboration. At its heart, Basecamp is a web-based platform, accessible through any internet browser or dedicated mobile applications. This accessibility is a crucial element of its design, ensuring that team members, regardless of their location or device, can stay connected and informed. However, the true essence of Basecamp lies in the suite of integrated tools it offers, all meticulously designed to address the common pain points of project management. To-do lists. These aren't your average scribbled notes. Basecamp's to-do lists allow for detailed task breakdown, assignment to specific team members, setting due dates, and adding attachments. This ensures clarity of responsibilities and keeps everyone on track. Message boards. Bid farewell to endless email threads that bury crucial information. Basecamp's message boards provide dedicated spaces for discussions around specific topics or projects, keeping conversations organized and easily searchable. Campfire, real-time chat for quick questions, brainstorming sessions, or informal updates. Campfire offers a dedicated chat environment. This fosters a sense of immediacy without cluttering inboxes. Docs and files. Centralizing all project-related documents, spreadsheets, and images is paramount for efficiency. Basecamp's Docs and Files section acts as a shared repository, eliminating the frustration of searching through multiple emails or shared drives. Automatic check-in questions. These recurring questions, scheduled as needed, help gather regular updates from team members on their progress, potential roadblocks, or key learnings. This promotes accountability and keeps project leads informed. Schedule. Basecamp's calendar allows for the visual representation of deadlines, events, and milestones, providing a clear overview of the project timeline. Projects. The fundamental building block of Basecamp, projects act as dedicated workspaces for individual initiatives. Within each project, all the aforementioned tools are available, tailored to the specific needs of that undertaking. Teams. For organizations with multiple departments or recurring collaborations, Basecamp allows for the creation of dedicated team spaces. These function similarly to projects but are designed for ongoing communication and shared resources across multiple projects. Hill charts. A unique visual tool developed by Basecamp, Hill charts provide a more nuanced view of project progress than traditional Gantt charts. They focus on the understanding and making phases of work, highlighting the uncertainty at the beginning and the increasing clarity as the project progresses. Beyond the features, the underlying philosophy. While the list of features is impressive, what truly distinguishes Basecamp is its underlying philosophy. It's not just about providing tools, it's about fostering a specific way of working, one that prioritizes clarity and transparency. By centralizing communication and information, Basecamp reduces ambiguity and ensures everyone has access to the same information. This fosters trust and shared understanding. Focused communication. The separation of discussions into message boards and real-time chat helps to keep conversations relevant and reduces the noise often associated with email overload. Asynchronous work. Basecamp is designed to support both real-time and asynchronous communication. Team members can contribute and catch up at their own pace, accommodating different schedules and time zones. Simplicity and ease of use. Unlike some project management tools that boast a complex array of features, Basecamp prides itself on its intuitive interface and straightforward functionality. This reduces the learning curve and encourages adoption across the entire team. Reducing meetings. By providing effective communication channels and clear documentation, Basecamp aims to minimize the need for unnecessary meetings, freeing up valuable time for actual work. Promoting ownership and accountability. Clear task assignments and due dates, coupled with regular check-ins, foster a sense of ownership and accountability among team members. Why Basecamp resonates. Addressing real-world project challenges. The enduring popularity of Basecamp stems from its ability to address common challenges faced by teams working on projects. Information silos. Basecamp breaks down information silos by providing a central hub for all project-related communication and documentation. Communication breakdown. The structured communication tools ensure that messages are directed to the right people and are easily trackable. Lack of clarity on responsibilities. Clearly defined to-do lists with assigned individuals eliminate confusion about who is responsible for what. Missed deadlines. The schedule feature and reminders help keep projects on track and ensure timely completion of tasks. Version control issues. The Docs and Files section provides a single source of truth for documents, reducing the risk of working with outdated versions. Overwhelming email inboxes. Basecamp significantly reduces email traffic by providing dedicated spaces for project-related discussions and updates. Basecamp in the educational context. A tool for learning and collaboration. The principles and functionalities of Basecamp extend beyond the traditional business environment and hold significant value in educational settings. For students working on group projects, Basecamp can provide a structured platform for collaborative task management, dividing tasks, assigning responsibilities, and tracking progress on group assignments becomes seamless. Centralized communication. Message boards can facilitate discussions on project ideas, research findings, and logistical arrangements. Shared resource management. The Docs and Files section allows for the easy sharing and organization of research materials, drafts, and presentations. Meeting coordination. The schedule feature can help students coordinate meeting times and track deadlines for different project components. Developing teamwork skills. By providing a framework for collaboration and communication, Basecamp helps students develop essential teamwork skills that are valuable in academic and professional settings. For educators, Basecamp can be a valuable tool for managing classroom projects, sharing resources with students, and facilitating communication outside of class time.